dey think say wetin my hand dey do for my chest. Na this matter don tire me. If not say e don tire me, you no go see my hand for my chest. I wan tell you wetin my eye see today. Ma no forget, make I introduce myself to you. My name na Obashola Olarinwaju. Then they call me Omidontan Show if you care to know. And I am your street parrot, the one wey go dey bring every matter wey dey happen for street come enter your house for you, wey go tell you the details. Today wetin my eye see, I never enter. I talk say make I gist you before I enter, because if I no talk wetin my eye see first, I fit forget. Before I forget, because I bring the gist for you, e plenty I bring for you today. Abeg, more I find somewhere sit down, cool myself down first before make I go. Abeg, if you see wetin my eye see for town today, for this cashless policy wey we dey face for Nigeria, e no be small matter. Even the matter don tire me sef. The tired of me don tire plenty. If you see wetin come happen today for where I go, ma tell you before the matter dey long. I dey park jejely myself. I sit down inside bus. Na so this boy come, he wan enter motor, no money. He don go everywhere, he wan collect money, he no see money. Na so he pay with the rice wey him mama give am from home. He use am pay thief fare. I come dey wonder wetin the driver go use the rice do. He go carry am go home, go tell am say, my wife see wetin dem use pay me today. Abi wetin wan happen sef? I wan make you help me chook your mouth for this matter. I wan see your comment in the comment section below. Abeg, talk to this matter. How you dey cope for your area? Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? Wetin all this cashless policy bring for your own matter? Abeg, chook your mouth. No go wait. Oh my God, no go wait. E have one way bring just now wey I remember. I thought say nothing my eyes never see. This one wey I see, I think say na play. But when I read down well, what I see and well, I come dey think, is this thing possible? I see wetin dem dey talk for social media say, this kind of boy, you no date them. They bear this kind of name. Abeg, no vex. So if they bear that kind of name, and they talk say if they bear Olamide girls carry their slippers, dust am like this, waka run away from those guys. If they bear Tunde, make them run for their life. Even Femi self, make them run for their life. But this matter wey I wan tell you, so abeg, come, move close. This matter wey I wan tell you sef, this matter, when I come first hear about am, come dey wonder, is this thing possible? How possible is this thing? The lady break up with him boyfriend though. I come dey wonder wetin cause the breakup. No be say the man no dey do this thing well. No be say the man no dey give am money. No be so. Na name cause breakup. Come talk say, hey, the name too local. You no know say the real name be that one. Imagine your boyfriend dey bear bash. Na that bash he use toast to. The friend wey be tipe friend come call her the real name, say Bashiru. Imagine. And you know all those Yoruba local people, you know how they call themselves now among themselves, Basiru. Now so the girl come vex, so come say, Bashiru. Wetin Bashiru dey do for your name? You bear Bashiru. Na bash you toast me with now. Wetin be Bashiru? Abeg, I want you make you choke your mouth for this matter too. Wetin be the concern of the boy with Bashiru bash? Na love matter now. The boy love you, you can't dey say the name too low. Abeg, make you chook your mouth for this matter. Name matter for relationship. Abi wetin matter go for relationship? Abeg, na here I go stop for today. I wan see your comment for comment section, and no forget to follow us on Africa Edge TV. Search for us all over the world on every internet. Go meet us there, Africa Edge TV. And many thanks to the producer of this program, Ashaolu Michael. Many thanks to them and all those people that we do this program together that make it fun for today. I remain yours sincerely, Obashola Olarinwaju. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, Facebook, Africa TV. See you next time. The Street Parrot is coming again with another gist. Bye bye. See you later.